2, 1, let it rip!
Go.
Let's finish this early. Bull, special move. Atomic ball!
You can't finish me with the same move twice.
I missed. How did this happen? Lightning Bolt, luckily you're still in there, but I can't believe you missed that move. How did he deflect it? No.
Now it's time for my special move. Rock Sagittario, Galactic Explosion! Oh, he's bleeding.
Go, Bull, deflect it. Deflect the move. Deflect the special move. Bull, no! He's draining your power, isn't he?